Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a turbo apart. This is my turbo, which is broken in million bits. Inside you can see it's all smashed up. So I'm gonna take it apart and see whether I need to order just the insides, which is there, just this, with this post, just the insides, or I need the whole turbo, whether it can be refurbished or it can be just scrapped. So first of all I need to unscrew 8mm screws from this side and 10mm screws from this side. Okay, so straight away you can see the damage inside. There's bits of my turbo in there, and that's what's left of the you can see the shaft is broken. Okay, so this doesn't look very bad. I'll probably be able to clean it. This is all messed up. Okay, so I'll unscrew those 10 bolts and we'll see what's happening on the other side. Okay, so I'm further and further into the turbo. I just need to take this bolt off. I need to take this to allow me to take this off. I need to release this bit, this arm. We've got all the bolts, nearly all the bolts, just one left. Looks like I'm gonna need a new turbo. Okay, so I will update you guys when I buy a new one, when it's delivered. At the moment I've got no turbo, but I think you see there scratches there. Don't think I'm gonna risk having this in my refurbished car, so for the sake of 100 quid I'll just get a new or refurbished turbo, and that'll be that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like.